Title: Global Markets Wrap, Record Highs and Mixed Signals Amid Trade Talks and Central Bank Decisions. Introduction. The world's major stock indices closed at record highs on Friday, led by the U.S., as trade talks progressed and investors bet on deeper rate cuts from the Federal Reserve. However, uncertainty loomed over a multitude of factors including central bank policies, geopolitical tensions, and currency fluctuations. Section 1, Record Breakers. The S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial Average, and Nasdaq Composite all reached record highs this week, as optimism about trade negotiations, a potential U.S.-Britain deal, and the Federal Reserve's monetary policy fueled investor confidence. Section 2, Trade Tensions and Tariffs. Canada suspended its digital services tax targeting U.S. tech firms to facilitate ongoing trade talks with the U.S., while uncertainty lingered over a July 9 deadline for trade deals between the U.S. and other countries. Meanwhile, Trump hinted at extending or shortening the tariff deadline depending on the progress of negotiations. Section 3, Central Bank Policies. The Federal Reserve stress test found large U.S. banks well positioned to weather an economic downturn, potentially leading to increased dividends and stock buybacks for bank stocks. However, the ongoing uncertainty surrounding Fed policy decisions has created volatility in global currency markets. Section 4, Currency Fluctuations. The euro continues its winning streak against the dollar, marking 9 consecutive days of gains amidst U.S. policy unpredictability and growing investor confidence in Europe's economic prospects. Meanwhile, the Israel-Iran conflict offered insights into global cross-asset dynamics. Section 5, Economic Prospects. European governments are planning to spend trillions on defense and infrastructure to address years of relying on U.S. for security and domestic spending shortfalls. Moreover, investors have moved over $100 billion into European equity funds this year, reflecting growing confidence in Europe's economic prospects amidst U.S. EU trade tensions. Section 6, Key Events to Watch. In the coming week, investors will closely monitor speeches by Federal Reserve officials in Portugal, London, and Chicago, along with PMI data and Treasury bill auctions for signals on the direction of global markets. As we navigate this complex landscape, it is crucial for investors to stay informed, remain vigilant, and make strategic decisions based on market trends and economic indicators. Stay tuned for more updates from us as we continue to bring you the latest developments in the world of finance.